Hello, my champions. Welcome to another interesting lesson with Mr. Olia on Earth Science. I hope the lesson so far has been interesting and colorful. Today, we'll be looking at the topic, the bulb. The bulb, you may wonder, we're going to be looking at an onion bulb as a plant. An onion bulb as a plant. Now, what is an onion bulb? An onion bulb is a well-modified underground stem. A well-modified underground stem which grows from the ground. So it's a well-modified underground stem that grows from the ground. We have other examples of bulbs like ginger is an example of a bulb. Then you have your garlic. A garlic is an example of a bulb. So these are all modified underground stem which is used for a lot of things. So onion is also an example of a bulb. Now the next thing we'll be looking at is part of onion bulb. Part of onion bulb. Now we have 1. Dry scaly leaves. 2. We have the fleshy leaves. 3. We have the apical bud. 4. We have the reduced stem, or you can say the stem. While the last we have the adventitious root, or you can just call it the root. So I'm going to explain each of them one after the other. The dry scaly leaves is the part of the onion bulb that protects the fleshy part of the bulb. The dry scaly, the part that when your mom or dad want to cook, the part that is peeled off is the word dry scaly part. While the fleshy leaf part is mainly the part used for cooking. It's mainly the part which is used for cooking and other stuff. Now the apical bud. The apical bud is where the leaf growth starts from. That's what apical bud is, where the leaf growth starts from. Now we have the reduced stem. The stem is just the part of the onion bulb that holds the onion bulb firmly to the ground. It helps the onion bulb to stand firmly to the ground. So the stem also is the part where the onion bulb starts producing from. The onion bulb starts producing from. Now we have the adventitious root, so you can also call it the root, adventitious root. Now the root, mainly in a plant or an onion bulb, helps the plant to stand strongly or firmly to the ground. Helps the plant to stand strongly or firmly to the ground. Now you may ask, which is the most important part? Every part in this onion bulb is important, but mostly I know you like the fleshy part which is used for cooking. The fleshy part which is used for cooking. So this various part has their own significant or importance in an onion bulb. Like the root, as I said earlier, helps the onion bulb to stand, while the stem is the part of the onion bulb that makes it grow, the part where the growth starts from. While the apical bud is that shape that look like a cone, at the middle is known as the apical bud. I'll come again. The fleshy leaf. The fleshy leaf is the part mainly used for cooking. So these are different parts. Why I said the scaly dry leaves. The scaly dry leaves are used protect the onion bulb from the inner part, which is the fleshy leaf part. So these are some part and functions of the onion bulb. Now let's see some uses or some importance of an onion bulb. 1. Onion is used for cooking. As you know, is used for cooking that yummy, delicious food like your rice, your stew, and so on. 2. Onion clears the eyes. What does it mean by clears the eyes? If you take onion once in a while or always, if you like to eat onion, it clears the eyes for you to see brightly, for your eyes to see brightly, to see objects, to see your book when you're reading, and so on. Now, the third part, uses or importance of an onion bulb. Onion is used in medication. Yes, its part means in medication. For instance, cough medicine is mixed in what? Medication. So onion bulb is very what? Important in our daily lives. Now, super kill. Let's see some practical questions. 1. Dash is a modified underground stem. I'll come again. Dash is a modified underground stem. What is a modified underground stem? Let me see who will get it right. Who will be my star? Let's see. The answer is an onion bulb or ginger or garlic. Good, correct. You got it right. Now let's go to the next practical question. Apical board is not part of an onion bulb. Apical board is not part of an onion bulb. True or false? True or false? So let me see who's gonna get it right. The answer is false. You got it again. That is smart of you. Yes, because apical board is part of an onion bulb. So apical board is part of an onion bulb. So the answer is false. The answer is false. Wow! It has been an interesting lesson so far. I know you agree. It's time to say goodbye and make sure you study hard, read your books, and make sure today you use an onion for cooking. Tell your parents, I need an onion bulb to cook my delicious food. See you guys in the next lesson. Bye bye.